This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Mercysardinas. A spacious open floor plan with living, dining, breakfast area, and laundry room. Offering just over 2,000 square feet, this 3-bedroom plus den, 2-bath home with 3-car garage built in 2019 by Maronda Homes has plenty of backyard space with ample room for a pool is sure to make a long-lasting impression. This home has complete home reverse osmosis system. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Mercysardinas at 756-564-6055.